I beg, make una come carry me comot for where una put me. I don't tire to be una friend. I don't tire to be una sister. I don't tire for everything. I'm tired. Bini mechewa wafate. This thing is too much. Oh, we dey do party. Marry party. One live video present, I don't buy bed. Hey, Jesus. Now. I just chop akamu with beef finish. See my akamu. See the plate when I take on the beef. You go see just go now. Oh, I don't go. Oh, Bini, I don't want to say that. When my girlfriend. Kukumalo be that one send me live video. You know if you carry me come up for you, we wazu we va. Lovely azu. Oyaba. Come carry me come up for Facebook. I don't tire. I agree to them. Good evening. Just shank baby. Mommy, cause I want change bed. You feel help me? Oh, where go home? Shit. No. Congratulations everywhere. The bed the other was low, Bonnie. Oh, you see life? If you reach my garage, now bed food there's also bed. Yeah. Bini people, me a daughter, I'm not gonna go carry me come up for here. I don't want again, but I don't want Bini people again as a friend. I bet make una leave me. I want come up for Facebook. I want room for una. I want you come up for those about space. And they go my Igbo land. If that's about me here, don't rain I don't state. I don't command. Only say he go pay me say I know they see a go they chop. Oh, Constant. Egbe love me, même da vielle. Constant. You I know you it's not your joke on your joke picture. The video when I do yesterday, me I don't even know say I roll like that oh. Yesterday, now see that particular place. They laugh. Say, me I talk rich like that. I say, I beg go, not be my cough now, not be like your own, no. In that particular place, I beg you picture. I pray may you make heaven. You say me not go make heaven. What of you when you go pitch that place? Say this one. I be not drink. Oh, yesterday when me I remember whether I smoke Igbo. I smoke Igbo yesterday because Mama cause I don't know whether I smoke Igbo yesterday. Wait, I smoke Igbo. I don't know. Like yesterday. Great. If I smoke Igbo on Monday, I know they smoke Igbo. Or Tuesday, I dey smoke Igbo. Or Wednesday, no. Or Thursday. I smoke Igbo yesterday. Okay. As I just dey talk yesterday, now make me no say I don't roll like that. I laugh, man. That place, since I did this social media, they do live video. I know. Even the mouth when I did chew, now started the trunk. I go say, whether you don't go add Jonah. Oh my God. Now the go when I smoke yesterday. It be like say that one a raw one, raw. Come, you people, you are welcome. We are celebrating. Okay, that place, you picture, that place don't even reach seconds. How you think they do one? I pray, make you make heaven, not be only me or see at the day of heaven day now. Now only God. Not that if our enemy hokey, don't forget, now fire will they go. Just pray, make our enemy no hold that key of gates. They're going to set the fire away from me before we reach gate of heaven. You know, wait till the enemy. My people, I welcome you now. Christmas not they come. These people want kill me. Oh, hey. Now yesterday I smoke Igbo because I dey smoke Igbo 3 times in a week. So that me I not chop my money finish. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, Baba Maria. Forget, we don't go at that day. We don't go at that day. We don't go at that day. She don't reach the whole key of heaven. No. You two even talk and say. She don't even reach the whole key of heaven. We never say whether we go even reach heaven. Oh, now don't road of empire. Who the road of empire? They want whole key of heaven. Don't forget that one. Now, one of live video presenter, my people, and they celebrate bed. How? In a Bawotiena, what is be all this one? Everywhere, oh my God! Can you imagine? Hey, where go him? Iyore, You know, say we don't get mind when we take the key person finish, but we they advise sometimes, so that we say we hate the person. He happy for this bed though. See his face. He happy where. We see your bed. We see him. If you don't see your bed, wait till we came. We see him. We appreciate you. You try. We see him. Why long ago, no barrister? Even inside they lash you. I see this bed. In the ordinary bed though. Now it viral. They don't carry this one now. They don't go borrow money for bank. This one man not start say, you people should come my seat. I borrow money. No, this one man they no borrow money. Hey, make una give her. Make una give Iyore say congratulations. Hey, if you see just see face or yeah, come let's see. Oh, the feeling is deep. just go fire you. I don't tell you that they say maybe they donate, everybody go donate for you. This go when you dey for Benin, maybe you just want to come on for ground. I dey like person, eh? If you buy something, go appreciate am by herself. You know what they way say, maybe for go help and go appreciate them. When you buy something, when you appreciate the something that you buy, original something when you buy, oh, not be the one when the one content they tell people say come see. Original one say you buy am, you pay am, you come on for there. You will see the joy and happiness. John, this one not tire you. See it. This one not be the one when they take the look us. If you come on face, they will do and you can't come out for here. They'll see carry and come. You will do like this. They'll carry and go. You go do like this. They use and take the fire your face. They go. We celebrate you. Everybody is celebrating you. Now don't say even if say me are the last person. You can't wait till the person will still do. She appreciate this bed. This is the now. You know, tell person say you must come show my bed. You must tell people say I get bed. She appreciates. I love this appreciation. When you appreciate yourself, your hard work, waiting you get without you not bring and come for fake. Say na person they pursue you say go see your bed. Now I make you go buy bed. She not doing for eyes of people. She so free do the bed where she go they sleep, where her angel go they follow her, they relax put. Yeah. Now see the second one. That one so free go buy bed for your children room. Now this one we won't make una they can't tell us. Oh, congratulations. If you congratulate you, no see check and small. Just for bed. See the way which just bed. Even if say you tell Iyore now, say carry that bed, go street, go to sleep for street. Oh, I call pole kokba, oh my bed in yo, oh I call we if you die be all that ye bonjour lamine bonjour. You go even come there self, go even give her house, say go put this bed inside. Hey, she appreciate the bed. She don't carry the bed reach house. Oh. Benin people are beg. Una just drive me. Why una no want drive me come on for una area? Every day say una drive, una no drive me. Appreciation is allowed. Go Nigeria. Go Nigeria, Nana. The barrister, I greet you. I greet you, Ellie. Now, person buy best, so I greet all of you now. If I not see you now, this one, the appreciation, and she's proud of herself. She don't carry the bed reach out. Not be on top of the bed, nice sit down, put one. Okay, don't carry the bed reach out. It's not if buy a dream bed when they can carve, can use gaudy color, take design. It's not free buy. See now, it's now what? Social media, area was there. Okay. Hey, I don't see her. Thank you. Monica carry grace when wait and fiag me. How you tell us say don't reach out? See picture, don't reach out. The bed don't reach out. See picture, see her picture. The bed is at home now. Okay, now congratulations. Oh, ayogene kata. Kata o, eka na tawi nyele. Oh, we no inu akan tawi. Everyone agbon, you have been eating the token. In agbon, I don't know. Awagbolo reva tite telege no deya eriene nagbonhi. Ayo emi unure le o ya o. Ana yo we oni bed na ba about that way. Where were home? Enu. Ena mi si chano riwesa. Oh, ye jere sekia. Yo sekia. Never. Bini people not it. Bini oh yeah. Where were home? Seriously? We see him. Why did they use my logo? Don't rest your case. Why you use my logo? Not so we see. Cry, good evening. Now bad night we there for you. But see when they celebrate bread. Well, because when my money. When my money is one of where I am. We appreciate her. What? This is ridiculous. What is it they do? Content? No. Content? No. For bed? No. He appreciates herself. Not see the way when she suffered arrange, she just suffer pull music. She appreciates herself. When I appreciate her, I don't know which I want much okay. They were put that they were bed this I hear about that. She not call they use until they pursue people they go. Come see her. Why you no want see her? Come see her. Why you no want see her? Eh? Ah. Now wow. Oh. Yeah. Oh, my not be content. Something went bad she has, like be content. I always say she go buy her now. She do it for them, and you say now content. This is what she get for herself. This thing now, she sleep this bed till daybreak. You they say now content. If I don't show for there, come on for there. Did you know how content take they work? You cannot say content. She will use it to do content one day. She will just leave there. No. Now shop, I see reach shop. If you did that, if you go come blog you go come the dance put. People they say we never see the bed though. You go still go there another time. You go still go take another one. You go see use now that one be content. This one, she don't already bring this one come her house. You know? I will say they bring different one now. You will say now content. Now she they do. Not be different one. Now they do content. Thank you, my darling. This is not content. When we are talking about content, you will bring this one, you go use and take do. Like at this bed now, she go different shop. You go price for this one, you go come out, you go show her, you go another one again. You know, that is how they do content. You cannot buy something come house. Use and take do one. He appreciate himself. He can't tell us say she don't buy bed. Tomorrow night, you don't go expect her say she'll still go there, go sit down, come see they sing again. If now content now, she go record them for this year. She go use and do live video for there. She go come house, she'll come put this thing, music. Then another day she will go another shop. She'll still go there. She'll go see video another shop, another bed, different heavy bed. You know, that is content. This one when you just buy carry come in house, no. You know, content is now something when people say you get where you go do and reach. When people don't sit tired for there, then you will jump onto another one again. That is content. Hey, now wow. I say I see this thing, I laugh. I say, wait till be this one. You never come out the nylon bag, go. Where the nylon bag is Iyore? Okay, you buy best spread. He buy pillow when they take the decorate. He never come on nylon bag for the pillow and for the this thing mattress. Don't be content. You see, if I buy something, now so you take the show. You see, now so you just show and come on for there. Not be you come they call people say, see, I'm not come. I want to go see her. You not see her. Come here. You not see her. You see her. It's not a content. Hell, that is not funny. You don't see her. You don't understand that. Content, you go show one. Another day go show. Later, people come and say, I bet more come out for them. Now content they use until they do. You don't see her. It bring this. You say I funny. Now, wow, my people. She appreciates herself. She bought a bed. She appreciates herself for borrowing a good bed for herself to sleep. You see her clear. You don't put her for saga. Now so, you don't see her. He enter bed enter. Now this Facebook now we dey when person say he buy house no gree enter. So they use me to do publicity for the house. The house, they still put my face when it make they still put her whether it will see attract people. Still yet. The house don't see enter viral. Where they can't use me, they use me to do adverts. You supposed to know now say they want make that house enter viral. You don't see bed now. Bed enter viral. Ordinary bed don't enter viral. Everywhere full for bed. You know, if you want carry something, use one something, take less something come on for ground. You see? Social media. Wow. Old school. Chineke me. Hey, these people are funny. I don't tire. I'm very tired. And they busy, they cut clothes. So. But if I see cut on, when I'm not my own, I won't kind. I don't cut clothes. So before you go, no, I go see pack, I go see keep one. If I cut, I know they see so I've come up for ground. Hey, now wow. Jesus Christ, and this are people they call us Chineke me. It's like hey, Jesus, oh not Jesus, he just yeah, he just yeah. And then I was hey, Facebook. Again, a young now. Amy, I she could go me. No matter about where she could go me. If I'm a tank, the tree way this and I carry branches pass for the whole world. Hamatan go come. You go remove all the old branches, all the old leaf. Ah, Anita John. Now maybe they do all like this. I'll be by bed. I don't want to talk, but I get what when I want to talk. I don't want to talk. Maybe people don't want to say this woman. We don't understand you. I want to make sure that they understand me. Even people when they don't use this music, they do party, do marriage. You don't carry weight reach like this. Yeah, I think copyright did this music. So they don't kukuma, you not consign me. Who got that bless no one can cause? I'm here to finish and then over the video. Oh, so lovely noodle. Like you feel like that lovely come. Oh, well, me mama one official land. Oh, but I am digging not burning. Meku, they say no be every meku. No, not talk past that. No, just forget. She appreciates herself. You know, she appreciates herself. Before people come, they appreciate her. Before people come say, yes, she tried. You know, see her. She don't put on for saga. She don't suffer by her. She can't put wallpaper She come put am, use the wallpaper to decorate the bed for wall. He come softly put the bed for there. Hey! Hey, na wow! Oh, yeah, ba! Hey, na master, oh, Jerry! Hey, na wow! Eh? But what can I do your shy now? Yeah? Oh! Ah! Can you imagine? Eh? Ayọ̀rẹ̀yàn Adàlẹ́ àgbàbà. Mo fẹ́ sọ́kẹ́ Zọ́bọ̀ Adíkẹ́ gbàì. Lovely gbàwà rèé fún. Very lovely omi ẹ̀sán. I'll come celebrate my own. The day when I'll buy my bed, I'll come celebrate. Ayọ̀ Adíkẹ́ gbàwà. Adikele eji wa chance. Weke na mi o wan say atie na. Many people like that cloth that time. Eja mi o ya say. Weke na mi o wan say. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. You try. New school when at the console. Now see hey. New school. Oh yeah. Me advise you now. No, really not the advice. No, I have one career agree. They put come for months. Go cover months. If not, you go the wicked character. Now wow. She happy put. The music loud. She appreciates the bed. She appreciates herself. You see her? That is this thing now. This her celebration of bed now. She go celebrate her bed. Come reach January 1st. You go just celebrate and they go. Oh, kata o, aka matawiyele. Oh, they go to an both your more shungwa. Mara another music yo. This is the place where we analyze.
If this shit don't they, he cough. When I see for him when he get upgrade for his body now cough. And cough I say the cough. They are
God have mercy upon us.
Well, later now you say his cough don't they increase. They say, wait. They say, you know, if this shit don't they, he cough. When I see for him, when he get upgrade for his body, now cough. And cough, I say, he cough. The eye.
I don't go leave me for my mom. That is God to beg. I don't go even. Yeah, yesterday. The bug when I smoke too much. In the 20-year-old go now smoke yesterday. Man, I don't even know what they talk against them. I smoke it both finish yesterday. Now come out, come this. My son, it's not I don't make me now. I don't tire. They work since. Oh man, I never know how that be now. Man, we can't sing put. You get one music when we go sing put. Where Kibo? My sister, now 20-year-old boy smoke yesterday, oh man. I don't know what they talk. We will sing put though. Wait, may I bring the music? Only well Kibo. Only music Kibo. Oh, now I am on the music. I'll quick delete it. Oh my God. These people are terrible. Seriously? Are you guys kidding? Now they whine me. Why whining me? Wait. What did they say? Realize I don't delete them. Hey. Oh man, the food when I eat, I say, it burn my mouth. I didn't feel it.
Wamuru me oye me o, me no o, iye la ọdún mu rege.
What is
Ọmọ kàmọ́tà rẹ̀ la ọdún yàbọ̀ rege me. Táyọ̀ Maserati o, me na ya ezira. Táyọ̀ Maserati, me na ya eyasira. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ mi yẹ dẹ́ o, wà lè sọ ìdórí rege. Iye lu yàbọ̀ rege. Mommy, I don't want to. Mommy, I don't want to. La onu ya.
Mommy, I don't let it know.
Every year, me yo. Every year, me yo. La onu ya bo me give. Iye yo. Where say you me? Nuna be me la dia nuna.
Yeah, na baby don't cry for your mama. Oh. Ọ̀rẹ́ àwọn sóyàn ọ̀rọ̀ amigo rẹ̀ gbẹ́ lórí náà ẹ̀ náà ìdè ṣá. He make a lot of promise for him mama. He no fit fulfill the promise. This Facebook carry weight or we wait. You know what in the Facebook? All of them get their for their body woto. This one now say he go buy shoe for him mama. He go buy clothes. He go buy her bag. He go build house, he go carry and come abroad. Now we still they come reach today. All the other children where they born of they don't grow finish. No, go on, continue the music.
Iye me no go, we say nuna be me gati. We say ye me o, e twela wunya.
Now what just sit down there? These are not they talk. These are not they even try at all. Oh, why are you going to try now? Or now you go to bed. Or now what does he see lonely no? Oh, tell me, say yeah, you not the way I dag bona. You are not giving me, we go. You see finishing enter house. Nothing one person no go see for this life. Hey, on our just it does feel low. Later the one I was just at this I just say talk. This one talk, go here.
What do you want to say?
My God, now I'm bad, I mean. Now don't spoil me. I mean, not be like this before. Anybody when you come in the area, that person must not be useless. But the new girlfriend say, I'm wearing I said they don't finish you. They will useless me to what? Oh my God. La Kukuma say, since they don't useless me. Land when I get for Bini, make I use and pay. May I build house for there in case may all of us go there. Do I because I don't feel useless me finish now. So make I go land. It's not possible because they go tell me so yeah. Go where they for useless you. Why useless you? Yes, I that one I useless you. Why about you? Oh my God, it's all oh my God. See how oh my God, these people. The way this one today they do me, no they do not like that. Sometimes I go they laugh for inside house. I will say not be laugh. Maybe they call police for me every day. I will say laugh and it they sound like fight. Therefore say they fight. This one not be this one come Facebook is see for your mama. Go reach today almost if they go 3 years now. House you no carry. Bed do it say you want buy for your mama, you no buy. House where you want build for your mama, you no build. Cloth where you want buy for your mama, you no buy. You want carry mama come abroad, you no carry her come. The other time, they shall come and say, your mama come abroad. Come reach today, we don't see mama. We don't see abroad. Anything when they do it, they here. They walk no. I don't even get bread to do another thing again. Na Facebook. Ha! Aya.
Wamuru me oye me o. Beno iye la muru mege. Ebi no sulu me media o.
Yeah.
Okaka bota.
Where party media? Oh, when we no sunu media okaka body, and when in actual media. Did you know the something way suru spirit? Not there, the one way good, the one way no good, black angel, white angel. Now there, the social media. Ah, oh yeah.
Yabo mege me. Tayo Maserati o. Mena ya ezira. Tayo Maserati. Mena ya yazira. Ederi yende o. Wage ni no bi doru mege. Iye nu yabo mege. Mommy, I go run you. Mommy, I go run you.
Where about the Facebook? They go grab pepper, use a tear off your eye. Now they go see bring water come where they will see they will see help you watch that. Because they will still need you. When fight go come, they will need you. This guy there now, we know the time when he play this music. We know put pepper for your eye. The person still bring and come, he still wash the eye. In case if fight come again, he go see and juice. Hey! Oh.
Yabo mege me. Every year me dame yo. Every year me dame yo. La onu yabo mege me. Iye yo. Where say you me?
Commenters. Now whether on the commenters say if they say who go finish gate of heaven? Commenters. It be like say we go enter. Una come they say lovely. I bet see me for you. Maybe you know they follow me before because they see I enter heaven. Lovely, they follow you. You don't remember that name. Now maybe that Rosie. Now maybe Anita John. I bet I dare you. Where about you? I say big. You see what he say? Every say he go do heaven ahead for his mama. At the end, his mama end up sleepy for in-law parlor. This is your comment. Oh my God, this is what I'm gonna give you. Did you know why I'm very happy on this social media? The people, they bring people down. At the end of the day, now these people will come out, they say you no get. At the end of the day, that is some things when they say, you, as I did now, somebody don't fit tell me, say, go buy bed. Or I don't get bed before. Or go buy chair. Or I don't get chair before. Or go rent new house. Make you not a fight for social media again. So that people will feel say you buy am. You know, at the end of the day, it can't be like, say, they now, when they tease people, it can't be like, say, now, many commenters go, they say, oh, so now those people don't even get that kind. They can't they tease who get. You see this life? I be say, we won't be say, we know how they play, we go mellow. You are no water, you are no water, no that kata.
Yo, where's the Iyore? No, not the Iyore, not the Iyore no go, Iyore no go. Where's the no, not the
Oh, Sanobla. The people when they can't even build out for their mama, buy car for their mama, buy landis for their mama. They don't tell their mama say they want to do a more. Their mama will just say her driver will just come give her key. Their mama will just say her, they'll say, we want to do birthday for you. Mama, now one place now we want to do birthday for you. Close your eye. If they just remove, if they can't carry mama reach, their mama they say, well, now they carry me, they go. Well, now they carry me, they go. They say, mama, no worry, trust us. Since your pikin, your daughter dey with us, or your son dey with us, or we not get where they carry you, they go now. If they can't reach there, their mama will come down for car. There, they will come upfront their mama. They'll say, mama, congratulations. Happy birthday to you. Now, this house, now your pikin, they do birthday for you. Now, here you go, they live now. Everything now, they here. Now, only cloth, now you go carry come on for the house when you dey. But if you see, say you want carry small things, see carry on. Now, that one, now no get supposed to do for your mama. You can't come Facebook, can't they tell and say, oh, twin. No. Yo ye me no ge o. La o nu we gba mi ye me. Oh.